Alright, so Matt has got me back a couple of times now. The pranks have been okay, I guess, but once again I'm going with a loud noise scare prank. What I have here is a classic air horn, which I'm going to be, hopefully I'm going to get them a couple times over the next couple of days. Hey. Fuck. Okay.